We're seeing some very powerful gusts here on Donner Summit, easily in excess of 60 miles per hour at times. And you can see it gets to the point where visibility, and it's going to get worse as heavier snow is starting to come in. Here's another very strong gust coming with this. It is going to make travel nearly impossible. State 80, as you can imagine, when you have conditions like this, how can you see? We've already seen one semi jackknife closing down the interstate, and when visibility drops like this and heavier snow comes in, the likelihood of the interstate being shut down is very high, although it is a critical east-west interstate and commerce corridor that they do whatever is possible, Caltrans, to keep that stretch open over the Sierra. We're going to be covering this very powerful storm for Weather and Radar here on Donner Summit. I'm Jonathan Petramala.